I would say, if you choose a remote control lawnmower, the Coham Off-Road Tank Lawnmower is definitely a wise choice. No doubt about it. Its off-road experience is even stronger, and even rugged mountain ditches can be handled easily as if they were on flat ground. Compared with manual mowing, it is more suitable for high-intensity, large-area mowing operations, and the machine operation is safer and more reliable. It is particularly suitable for use in complex terrains such as steep slopes and mountains. It is truly a leader in the lawn mowing industry. It avoids the risks that may be caused by manual mowing. Its work efficiency is extremely high, and one machine can replace the workload of more than a dozen people.